Another beautiful day with turn 5. We're back in the garage. We're going to do the spring oil change on the 2002 Mazda Miata. Behind the camera, as you may have guessed, no, it is not Tyler. It is Ella. 2002 Mazda Miata oil change. I got it set up on the jack. The only reason I really need it on the jack is so that I can get the oil pan underneath it. So step number 1 in the oil change, we're going to want to release the drain plug. It's right there. Use an 11/16 ratchet. So here we go. All right, we got the drain plug out. A little bit of a struggle, it was on there pretty tight. Next thing you want to do is open up the oil filler cap to allow for the oil to drain a bit more easily. The next step we're going to do after we get the oil drained is, if you see right in here, there's a white, we can see the white canister right here. Gotta take that off, that's the oil filter. And we're just going to put the new stuff on. We'll be all ready to roll. Okay, we drained all the oil out. Put the plug back in underneath there. We took out the old filter, which, as I said, sits right here inside of there. It's hard to see, it's all black. But I was able to loosen up just by hand, and now we're going to apply this one just hand tight, like a tight hand tight. First, we're going to take some of that oil and just wipe it on this seal here. Tight hand tight, then we're going to fill it up. We're almost done, guys. All right, we got the drain plug back in. We got the oil filter back on. Hand tight, a tight hand tight. We went with an ultra synthetic Fram filter. This one is the XG6607. Just make sure you cross-reference whatever you're going to put in, but this one is acceptable. Now we're going to put roughly 4 quarts in here. It's 3.8 quarts. And then we will fire up and see how she runs. This time we're using Castrol Edge. I'm a Mobil 1 guy because of the Porsche deal. However, I just used a full synthetic 10W30. We're going to put 4 of these 5 quarts in here, and that should fill up the oil and the filter. Ready for magic? I did that all by myself!
Oh, I got Mom in the camera.
Well, now they know! Well, Ella, thank you very much for helping me today.
Yeah.
Miata is ready for the whole season.
Yay!
If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Tyler will be ecstatic. He does cartwheels every time somebody subscribes. And we'll see you at the next road trip, huh?
Yeah?
What do you say we hit him with an awkward high five?
Woo!
Till next time. What do you say, Ella? You up for a little end of video music montage?
Oh yeah!